The Twirl'em is designed to meet all your sampling activities across many industries to collect, transport, and analyze samples. Each product is linked to a lot number and a sterility certificate available for download on our website, ensuring full product traceability. Start by identifying the bag. Open the Twirl'em. Insert the sample. Then, remove the air and close the Twirl'em. The airtight bag is ready for transport and laboratory analysis. After use, disinfect the bag according to regulatory requirements. Separate the bands and metallic strips from the bag and place them in recycling. Contact our team for more information about the Twirl'em.